Yep, that's good enough. Yep, you got your photos good.
So I can go fill that out, or should I stick
Oh yeah,
with you?
go ahead.
Or-
Go
okay.
ahead. That's fine.
Oh, for my What's funny is I've got this my notes sitting out right here.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize. I'm gonna let him do it.
Yeah.
I think that will work.
Those are the shortest ones I've got.
Okay. Yeah, it's almost
Looks like he's got the.
Yeah, that's fine. Then you can bring that then just, you know, but we'll, if you want to make some time trial runs, this will work.
Grab a clipboard.
We had this brought the stream out. Yes, we sent it to the stream. Oh. Because he's missing out on it. Yeah, take it to the lane. Line up over there, but it doesn't really work. Okay, yeah. We love that. Yeah, we want to do that. Yeah. Or, I don't know if he wants to use it.
Well, if you have one handy, at least we'll get it out.
Yep, that's good enough. Yep, you got your photos good. Not a wire.
Yes, it is not a wire.
Thank you.
Too small for whole tire.
Car around next to the Right here, 108.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you got that? Thanks, Dan.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to. There we go.
Grand Rapids, rather, Michigan, the 71 Skylark. 455, Jim Laram out of Paw Paw, the 69 Chevelle. She goes around Hughes, 1223 to the 1275 for the Skylark. She goes around Hughes, 1223 to the 1275 for the Skylark. And now we'll go to our best 2 out of 3.